Hello class, and welcome to Module 6, and in this module you're going to be completing your lessons learned, your project lessons learned for the ECS company. So remember, when you approach this assignment as a team, you're looking at the entire performance over the last 6 weeks and what lessons did you learn. If we jump down into the description a little bit, you're going to see we're looking at, as a minimum, what went right on your project, being able to identify that, document that. What went wrong on your project, being able to identify that. Not blame storming, but putting down, I'll call it, not only technical information, but any organizational information that you can. What was learned from the execution and completion of the project, so those are reflections. And then finally, what your team would do differently on the next project. So making the same assumptions that you did on this project if you were working with ECS and they gave you another project and told you you had a mega driver that was part of it and that you had the same constraints that you had in this course. What would you or could you do differently that you think would be important? Now there's a sample lessons learned template that I've got put in here for you. So I want you to go ahead and pull that up. It's going to be a Word document. When you pull that Word document up, you're going to see that it's got different layers or different levels. So let's go ahead and just kind of get it into one page for you here, and that way we can look at it. It's a very simple document, but at the same time very complex. And by complex, I mean it really has a lot of information that you're going to get and be able to provide the PMO and the ECS company. So go ahead and have someone fill out the information for the project that we've done on all the other templates that we've provided for you up to this time. And then once again, what went right? What went well? Examples are provided for you here along with a little bit of a description. And then what should we continue to do which helped the project be successful? So we're looking at it, what can we continue to do? And then what could we improve? What were the barriers to the success of the project, if any? And then that is in essence what we're looking to capture from you. We're trying to get or glean that information from you and your team. Now, once you're done with that, I want you to recognize that this assignment is worth 45 points. Make sure you break it down. Have multiple people work on this assignment. The team lead for this week, the project leader, is responsible for making sure that he's getting data and input from everyone. So here's the grading rubric. You can see that it's worth 45 points, 10, 10, 10, and 5 for the project general information up front. So each of those sections is worth 10 points. Okay? This is different than best practices. It is lessons learned. So remember that. Lessons learned. What did we learn from the execution of this project? Okay? Have a great week, and we'll talk soon. Bye.